to allow or deny screen turn on control permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on this three dot icon and click on Special Access. After click on Special Access, scroll down and click on Screen Turn On. You will see Screen Turn On is here. Click on Screen Turn On, and if you want to allow, if you want to deny screen turn on, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see screen turn on is deny. If you want to allow screen turn off, screen turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see screen turn on is allow. You will allow or deny screen turn on from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can allow or deny screen turn on control permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.